Your hard drive is likely a chaotic graveyard of folders with names like New Folder 2 or Final Backup. We have all been there. You capture hundreds of moments on a weekend trip, and then those files just sit in digital limbo. Finding the right tool to organize that mess usually brings you to a choice between two very different philosophies. One is a nimble tool built for speed. The other is a massive industrial powerhouse. Let's start with the lightweight contender. This software is famous for being incredibly lean. You can throw 10,000 images at it, and it still uses less memory than a single modern web browser tab. It handles the basics with grace. It groups your shots by date automatically. You can crop, fix red eyes, and adjust colors without ever touching the original file. It is the definition of a tool that stays out of your way. But there is a massive wall you will hit if you are a serious hobbyist. If you shoot in those high-quality uncompressed formats, this program is mostly just showing you a small preview. It does not actually process the full depth of the data. You are also locked into lower quality exports. It does not have facial recognition or the ability to process hundreds of files at once. It is a sprint runner, not a marathon lifter. Now, let's look at the heavy-duty alternative. This is a professional-grade suite that happens to be free. It uses clever technology to recognize faces even as people age or the lighting changes. It leverages your computer hardware to make processing faster. You can compare two similar shots on a virtual light table to see which one is sharper. It even maps out where every photo was taken using geographic data. It supports virtually every high-end camera format under the sun. But the real kicker is how it handles your work. This is the detail that truly matters for the long haul. Most simple programs hide your tags and ratings inside a private database. If that database breaks or you want to switch to a different computer, you might lose all that organization. This powerhouse writes your labels and ratings directly into the files themselves. Your hard work travels with the photo. If you move to a different app 10 years from now, your ratings will still be there. That level of data security is rare. The trade-off is a very steep learning curve. The interface looks like a dense wall of buttons and menus. It can be intimidating. It might even feel a bit sluggish if your collection is truly gargantuan. You have to decide if you want a simple hammer or a full-scale workshop. If you want to import, crop, and be done, the lighter app is the clear winner. It is fast and stays out of your way. But if you're building a legacy of thousands of high-quality images, the complex tool is the only way to go. It gives you professional control without a price tag. Just bring some patience for the setup process. It is a choice between instant speed and long-term power.